This, of course, is Maggie Mae, and as you can see behind us, we're at the Florida State Fairgrounds, ready to kick off our coverage to you of the Florida RV Supershow. Now, this is a product of Forest River. This is the Rogue Vengeance Model 25V, and we chose this toy hauler to show you because it's a new compact design that at only 25 foot long, it gives you anywhere from 6 foot 4 inches in length in the toy area if you can only go up to the kitchen, or if it's narrower you can go up to 15 foot 4 inches long. It'll hold 2,000 pounds on its cargo floor and 3,000 pounds on the ramp. It has the leash latches there by the solid steps, has great looking alloy wheels, a 30-gallon fuel station, and another leash latch on the back. This is a list of all the features that are on it and the specs, and I'm going to let Cathy give you a great tour. Okay, now we are inside the Vengeance Rogue 25V toy hauler, and Cathy's going to show you around at what makes this small toy hauler a great value.
The key word is small, and not everything that is small is not to have a value. First of all, we've got a beautiful patio out here, and I just love these when they're set up like a patio. You'll notice the cables on the side hold it. It's got an entrance gate over here. As you come up the ramp, when this is down as a ramp, you'll notice there's a slope here, so that makes your ride in a little smoother. There's also anchors. There's 3 of them here. There's 3 here. And there's 2 here, so that you can anchor down whatever it is that you're bringing in. Now, you'll notice we've got a couple of couches on either side that can be made into couches, or they can also be made into the bed. The table does come with it, and it's got a nice clean floor. Now, there are 2 of these chairs. They took one of them out for the show just to make room as people wanted to gather through here. There's also a bed up top, and this bed works from a button on the side. It comes down, and you're going to be able to sleep quite a few people between the ones here and the one here.
Yeah, between the 2 sofas, they fold out together to make one large bed and the one that comes down. So yeah, you can sleep 4 very comfortably, if not more.
Now, on this side over here, we have our kitchen, and we've got a good storage up here. You've got your little microwave, and then you've got the sink, and
that's a nice big farmhouse sink.
Yes, it is.
And then a soap dispenser right there with it too.
Then the top on the stove just goes back to get it out of the way, and then it folds back down when not in use. That is a 3-burner propane. You have an oven, and again, a little bit of storage there. Some storage up on top over on the left side. These window shades. Well, that's interesting.
That's how they make your day night, is how
That's
far
right.
you pull it down.
That's right.
That
pretty,
I've never seen anything
I haven't
like
either.
that.
And then to go back up, you just push it back up. That's
lovely.
great. I like that. And what a nice window.
Yeah.
Now, you're obviously, the toy haulers are so that you can bring your toys, so you're going to be spending a lot more time outside probably. But my eye just had to be driven. Squirrel, be driven over here. That's a really pretty faucet there.
If I can catch you for just a second, because you're talking about spending time outside. This comes with a TV mount up here, but it's one of those removable that you can just lift the TV on and off, And I'm sure there's one on the outside also that you can take the TV and take it outside if you're going to be spending more time out there.
Yeah, that's really nice. Now, the refrigerator, push that in.
That is
Oh,
a
I'm sorry.
12-volt compressor refrigerator.
Yeah.
So it does run on electric, but it uses very little power. So if you're boondocking, it's a great thing.
It's also got a nice lock on it. This is you press in and it pushes this little nubby in and out, which goes into the holes there and keeps it closed.
Nice size refrigerator.
Yeah, it is a lot of space in there.
A lot of times you get into one this size and it's just one of those little short under the counter ones, and this gives you a nice refrigerator.
Yes, it does. Now over here you've got, when you come in on the stairs on the side here, you've got storage. That's some nice storage there. And you also have your panel over here for taking care of things.
And as it is a toy hauler, you do have the vents, one on either side. So if you're hauling anything with gasoline in it, you're legal, you're vented, and your smoke detector is up on the ceiling right beside the speakers, and there are speakers throughout.
There's also the air conditioner unit up over the top.
And that is a Coleman Mach unit, which tend to be some of the quietest out there.
All right, back in through here. We have the restroom, the bathroom, and nice big shower.
This is one of
skylight.
those radius showers that go across the corner.
Yeah. Air vents out to pull moisture out of it. But yeah, that's a lot of space on that.
That's a comfortable shower.
Yeah, it is. Got a medicine cabinet here. A little bit of storage down here. And then on the other side, we have plenty of storage and a cubby behind the toilet.
Yeah, huge amount of storage. But I see a door behind you.
Yes, there is a door behind me.
And what's behind door number 3?
This is the bedroom, the master bedroom. Or if it were me, well, I don't know. I was going to say I'd put the kids back here, but there's a door back here too. So
It's kind of nice to be sleeping out on the toy hauler side of it there with the fresh air too.
that's what I was thinking. All right, here's your escape door, but you do have a door over here. So I guess it depends on which side of the bed you're on. You have some storage on either side, a little pole for hanging things on, and then you've got storage above the bed, and that looks like it's really nice and deep too. I realize this curves. See if I can get up here. There we go.
Yeah, it is.
It goes pretty far back.
One other thing I'll show you is if this one does not have a pre-installed television, but it is pre-wired with an outlet and your cable up on the ceiling, you could just actually put another bracket. The TV backer plate is right here facing the bed, so you could just put another bracket on this wall, use the same TV, and bring it forward and backward if you didn't want to invest in a second television.
Yeah. Now, I noticed there's outlets for your CPAP machine. I believe, I'm looking over here to see what this is on the wall. An outlet and USB ports.
And we have an exit or entry door directly into the bedroom.
That's right. If you're going out, you're exiting. If you're coming in, you're entering.
It works both ways. So Cathy, this Rogue 25V toy hauler, very small and compact. What did you think of it?
I think this is great.
Having the fresh air deck is really nice to have. You can haul your toys, and even if you're not hauling toys, you've got great seating, great sleeping arrangements, a separate master bedroom. It's really about anything you want.
It's very adequate.
Yeah. So we want to thank you for watching today. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and ring that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when any of our new videos come out, including all of these coming here from the Florida RV Super Show.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thanks for watching today.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when new videos come out.
Don't forget to follow us on social media too.